Hello, future homeowners, and welcome back to Real Estate Essentials. Today's video is a deep dive into a topic that often catches homebuyers by surprise. And what is that? Dun dun dun! It's those closing calls. I'm Sierra, your real estate companion, and by the end of this video, you'll be well versed in understanding those crucial closing calls. So let's jump in. So, what are closing costs? They're the various fees associated with finalizing the real estate transaction. Think of it as the paperwork and logistic of sealing the deal. Let's break down some common closing costs and why buyers are responsible for them. Now, first up is the title insurance. Now, the title insurance is a protective shield for your ownership rights. It ensures that the property's title is clear of any disputes or claims. So why does the buyer foot the bill? Well, it's for the buyer's peace of mind, ensuring they'll get a property that's clear and free. Okay? We call it a clear title. Okay? So we just want to make sure that you have a clear title and it gives you peace of mind. Now, next on the list is the appraisal fees. Now, the appraisal fees are paid to assesses the property's value. Now, why is it the buyer's responsibility? Well, lenders want to ensure the property's value matches the loan amount. It's essentially a safeguard for both the buyer and the lender to avoid overvalued properties. Now, let's talk about attorney fees. Attorney fees cover legal services during the closing process. While not every transaction requires an attorney, having one can provide invaluable legal advice. Buyers pay these fees to ensure their interests are protected and the closing process is legally sound. Moving right along, now we have what we call loan origination fees. Now, loan origination fees are charged by lenders for processing a new loan. Why are buyers responsible for this? Well, it covers the administration costs of creating and processing the loan. It's essentially the cost of securing financings for your dream home. So it secures the finances, okay, for this dream home that you will be purchasing and living in for the maybe next 30 years. Now, let's not forget about those escrow fees. Escrow fees are paid to the escrow company, which acts as a neutral third party overseeing the closing process. Buyers pay these fees to ensure a smooth and impartial handling of funds and documents between the buyer and the seller. Last but not least, we have the home inspection fees. The home inspection fees cover the cost of a professional inspecting the property for potential issues. Buyers pay for this service to identify any problems before closing, giving them the opportunity to negotiate repairs or to adjust the purchase price. Now, you might be wondering why buyers have to cover these costs. Well, the rationale is simple. These fees are part of the process that protects the buyer's interests and to ensure a smooth, legal sound transaction. It's an investment in the integrity and clarity of home buying process. Now, think of the closing costs as an investment in your home ownership journey, safeguarding your legal rights, your property values, and overall satisfaction with the home you're purchasing. And there you have it, a breakdown of common closing costs and why buyers are the ones picking up the tab. Now, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more real estate insights. You got questions or want to share your experiences? Drop them in the comment section below. Until next time, happy hunting. Well, happy house hunting. No deer hunting, okay? You can deer hunt if you live on land that has many acres and it's legal, okay? But for now, I meant happy house hunting. Talk to you later. Bye.